Boys, we are ready to get the night started, heading out to a meet out here in Houston. Our boy Hey Yellow Fella's taking us, and after that we should be getting some Mexico action. Fingers crossed it goes through. So here we go, hopping in the 426.
Boys ready?
Let's get her done.
All right.
This man, it's about to get rowdy.
Texas 2K bound.
Yep, we left some smoke right there. Very nice work, sir.
Camera.
So before we even get to the meet, there's already police. Have somebody pulled over. A Mustang.
Oh, dude, he's dumped, bro. He's cop after cop right now. Wow, look at that.
Alright guys, we are getting ready to see some Mexico racing action tonight, man. You know, we are at the meetup spot right now, a little early. We still got time before all the cars pull up. Cars are starting to show up right now. You know, this is people coming from all over Texas, different states or whatever for this meetup. Check this thing out. The hood cut up. So we got cars all over the property, and now it's starting to pour into the back. Looks like it's gonna be a very eventful night. A lot of quick cars from what I've seen so far. A lot of Mustangs, a lot of Corvettes, and then Mopars. The big boys rolled up. So it's getting packed in here. As you can see, there's a ton of people that just pulled up. I think we're almost out of parking spots. And yeah, I'm trying to make sure I have good cars to ride in tonight so I can give you guys the best footage I can. Thankfully, some of the subscribers are coming through and they're offering me some rides in their cars, which is awesome. Thank you. And yeah, man, we're just kind of taking a look around. Still blowing up here. I cannot believe how many cars are out, and there's still more pouring in. There's literally no place for these cars to even go. They're just doing circles around the property at this point.
Yo, what's fucking good, man?
People have been blowing me up about
We gotta collab, man.
Yeah,
we're gonna do something about it. They already, I'm gathering everyone up, so.
So you're coming out every night?
Yeah, I'm gonna be hot every night. I've been out Sunday.
All right, guys, we're doing like a driver's meeting right now.
He said, we're gonna have to start with this group rolling out first. We don't have enough.
So we got cops down there, but the party goes on. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, appreciate you doing this, by the way. So guys, things got a little too packed at the first gas station, so we moved to the next one right here. So we came to the second gas station, so it already looks like it's pretty filled up. And the driver's meeting's going down now.
Safety is high value, my own safety. So that's how we're gonna run. Once you hop on said freeway we're gonna run on, it's the Wild West out there, guys. There's gonna be like 150 cars out there. There's 50-year-olds, 60-year-olds, and 70-year-olds. This is a Wednesday. Friday, everybody comes up. So y'all can understand how packed this place is gonna be.
Hey, have fun, bro.
Take care, man. See you around.
They're gonna give you a business card here.
You ready, Rod?
Huh?
You ready for the action?
I'm ready, bro. This is what's gonna make me want to move here.
All right, guys, we just got the green light. We got the instructions, and we are ready to get out there. Here we go. So I'm riding in a full bolt-on 10-speed tonight. We're gonna be participating in the NA class, and hopefully handing out some gap. Alright guys, we haven't even got on the freeway yet. They do have a chopper up there tonight. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's way over there.
Yeah, your last one's coming up behind you right here. We gotta let the group catch up, man.
Just two cops right there.
We gotta go to the program. CTSV pulled over by 2 constables, and the choppers on top of us at the same spot. Black CTSV. Looks like the chopper just got off of them from what I'm seeing. I'm up here just passing Spring Street. Helicopters coming over the main pack right now.
What is this?
Get any runs?
Alright guys, looks like tonight is just not happening, man. There's way too many cars, around 300 cars, way too many cops. They already sent a helicopter up. We're getting a ride along in a Mustang, and just started calling it a night. So all these people are just leaving out already. I think this might be the end of tonight, man.
Yeah, to be honest, guys.
A little too crazy.
There's a Charger Mustang, and they was racing a Mustang. It's just to get caught by the cops.
So there's two sheriffs just past us.
There's a chopper going up to the front of the group.
Bro, I don't know how people are still racing, dude. There's cops everywhere. Y'all gotta stop racing, dude. Y'all gotta chill out and let these cops.
Boys, I apologize, man. I feel like I blue-balled you guys tonight, and personally I got blue-balled too because we saw so much dope cars, so much sick cars come out. But as you guys were listening to the radio, I tried to include a few sound clips in there. It was just so hectic, man. There was like 300 plus cars. They try to make it organized, trying to keep people out of trouble. People were getting pulled over left and right. There's a chopper in the air. It just was way too much and not worth the risk. And they ended up doing, I think, like private runs with boosted only cars. The car that we're riding in is 426. It's making about 550 and over 600 torque. But it's just not enough to run with those kind of cars. As you can see here, we're pulling off to grab some food, end out the night. So a few other guys are here as well. It just kind of sucks, but you know, we gave it a shot. It just, Texas 2K this year is super hot. There's just a lot going on. But I mean, check out the kind of cars that are out here. Definitely is no joke. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video and you saw the meets, and maybe you know, tomorrow we'll go back out there and give it a shot. But yes, apologize. I really wish I could have gave you guys awesome content. I wanted to get out there and do more for you, but I just could not, you know. So anyways, thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy Rush. Catch you in the next one. Peace.